In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very tasty and quick 10 minutes coconut pudding. So here I'm using total 5 packets of this coconut milk powder. This is easily available in stores. You can also use coconut milk which comes in a Tetra pack, but I am using this packet now. So as per the instruction given behind this packet, it's written that add 3 tablespoons of hot water after adding this packet. So I have right now added total 2 packets, so I'll be adding total 6 tablespoons of hot water. It's up to you that how thick or thin you want your milk. I want it a bit thinner, so I am adding a little more than 6 tablespoons. Whisk this nicely with a whisk or a spoon, making sure that there are no lumps. So here it is total 5 packets that I have added, and accordingly I have added the water. It is almost approx 400 ml of this coconut milk which I have added in a tawa or pan like this, into which I have added half cup of powdered sugar. You can also add normal granulated sugar, and then 1/4 cup of corn flour and half cup of milk. Whisk this very nicely before keeping this on gas, because we do not want any lumps to appear while we are heating this. So keep it on a low to medium flame and whisk this very nicely until it gets thickens like this. Make sure that there are no lumps of corn flour, and if there are any by chance, you can add a bit more milk or water. For the sweetening, if you do not want to add sugar, you can also add Milkmaid, that is condensed milk. So here first let the mixture cool nicely, and here I have got some paper cups and I'm greasing it with oil. You can also use your normal steel ones or plastic ones, whatever you have at your home. Fill the mixture using a spatula or a spoon. So here all these are done. Now give them a slight tap and pop it in your refrigerator for at least 1 hour to set. So post 1 hour, 1.5 hours actually, you just need to tap a bit or press the back of this cup and these will come out automatically very nicely. And if by chance if they aren't coming out, just demold it using a knife, which will not happen, but if in case it happens, then I'm cutting these horizontally and coating it with some desiccated coconut. This is totally optional. If you have it, you can coat it with these because this tastes amazing, or you can just skip this or coat this with whatever dry fruits or whatever you want, or just have it like this because this is a very delightful pudding. So making this just took hardly 10 minutes. Yeah, you need to wait for some hours to let this set. This is a very soft, amazing, tasty pudding, coconut pudding, which you will surely love, because who doesn't like coconut, right?